So when is the right time for you to visit Menorca? Well, it really depends on what kind of holiday you are looking for. If you want a cultural holiday or a sunny beach holiday, or if you want to come here for one of the many activities like hiking or mountain biking, or maybe you are looking for a holiday on a budget or with the family or an adults only holiday. In this video, I want to give you a clear guide to when is the right time for you in your specific situation to come to Menorca to have the best holiday.
January, February, March, April, November and December are normally not good months to come to Menorca, at least not for most people, as most people like to come to Menorca for the summer holidays, and this time of year it's not hot and quite rainy. If you are coming for maybe a more cultural holiday to visit the capital of Mahon, or if you're coming on a hiking holiday like a lot of people come to do around this time, then I would aim not at November and December because these are the most rainy. January and February it gets better, but the best weather, less rainy and also more hot, you will find in March and April. If you're traveling to Menorca on a budget or want to come here for the water sports, like a lot of people come here on holiday for, then the best months are May, September and October. These have quite nice temperatures already, with the high being somewhere on average 24 degrees and the low 14 degrees Celsius, but there's also going to be days that it's going to be much hotter, of course, as well. The rainy days you have still quite a few of, on average 9, but most of these are in October. May, I would say there is much less rain and also less rainy days, so May is much more drier than September and definitely than October. But sea temperature is on average 21 degrees Celsius. In May the sea is much colder than, by example, in September, when the sea temperature is normally a little bit higher. So if you're traveling on a budget, then I would say travel in the first half of May to get the best deals and the cheapest deals. In September, normally you have the best weather, and if you want another budget holiday after the summer months, then I would look at October, as you get really good deals, especially towards the ending, and you may or may not be lucky with the weather and the rain and the sun. Do also know that at the beginning of May there is not many people on Menorca, as well as at the ending of October. This means that it's nice and relaxing and quiet, but it also means that some restaurants may not be open yet or are starting to close down, as counts the same for the hotels and the bars and attractions. If you are coming in May, September and October, do also remember that you need to bring a jacket or something warm, because sometimes it can get quite windy in the evening, meaning that it's quite cold and you might need a jacket, especially sometimes in the evenings. If you're looking for the hottest and driest summer holiday weather, then I would definitely aim for either June, July or August. These have really good temperatures and there's almost no rain. The average high temperature will be around 28 degrees for the high and 20 degrees for the low. But these are averages, so there's also going to be plenty of days it's going to be much hotter than that. There's almost no rain, especially not in July and August. Think 1 to maximum 2 days of rain a month, and also the sea temperature is really nice and comfortable with a pleasant 24 degrees. If you can travel in June, especially towards the ending of June, I would definitely try to do this, as it's also much cheaper normally than July and August, and the weather is about the same. And also in July and August it gets much more busy than June on Menorca.
For all my guides covering Menorca and as well many other holiday destinations, know you can find my full complete guide on my website that I always keep up to date. If you don't want to do that right now, then there's also this video you can check with much more information about traveling to Menorca.